Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Elisabeth and we'll be cooking produce from our garden today. I'll make some pumpkin soup and cook up some corn. We have a sweet grey pumpkin that John grew in his garden, and we will add some potatoes that are Dutch creams. That's a variety we really like to grow, and we have what's known as Russian garlic, the nice big giant cloves, and I'm going to put some capsicum in it. It's just a common variety that we grew as well. And so let's get chopping and make it happen. Pumpkin soup is as easy as can be. You add whatever you like and then cream it up. So just chop up some pumpkin. Usually it's like 3 cups will do. These pumpkins are preserved really well. With the garlic, I usually just chop it up into half pieces. They later will cook softly, nice and soft, and then, you know, this is what it started off as, and they will eventually be blended anyway. And just take the skins off is something I will do. Okay, so with the pumpkin, I've chopped it up as much as I want. So we'll just pop that in the pot. And I've already pre-chopped some garlic. So I've got 2 giant cloves of garlic, depending on how strong you like it. So we'll just put that in there. I would suggest 1 large potato, but I've got small potatoes. That adds to the creaminess. And I'm going to put the common, just chop up the whole capsicum. You could pre-roast it, that would add to the flavour. Just take the seeds out, chop it a little bit small so it'll cook a lot faster. Doesn't have to be anything special about it, just chop it up a bit smaller. And so these are our vegetables from our garden. I will add our parsley later. And then I'm going to put some curry in it. We like curry. So I will put 1 teaspoon of curry, depending on how strong you like it to be. And we like veggie stock, so that's something I'll add in there. And soya sauce. And after it's cooked, you can determine if you want any more. Have a taste test. And we actually love to use Shiro Miso. It's a fermented rice. So you would add like a dessert spoon. I'm just doing an estimated of that. And see, I've chopped it. And now I've just got to cook it. And so I'll decide how much water. Don't add water, because once it's blended you might like to add more of something else. I like to add coconut cream to it. Coconut cream is great to add to the flavour. So look at those great colours in there. So I'm going to add water now. You can do it in cups. I never do it actually in cups. I just guess. So I've got 2.5 cups of water in there, and as it's cooked, when it is cooked, I may add more, but I want to put my coconut cream in there. Well, we have the soup on the stove waiting for it to cook. It won't take long. In 20 minutes it should be starting to soften already. Something we like to do when we have actually chopped our pumpkin, whichever one, this one hasn't been cut, but when we have, to just say you haven't finished it and you want to use it again another day to stop it rotting where it has been cut, we will lay paper towel in where the cut piece is, and it absorbs the moisture, stops rotting and protects it. And you don't need to put it in the fridge, just put this over the cut open piece, and it really makes a difference, makes it last a few more days. So the pumpkin soup's boiling away. It won't take long. We've got it on high, so cook it fast. You only need to cook it till it's half soft, because then you can zap it up with the stick mixer.
yummy pumpkin in my tummy.
Yeah, Lucinda absolutely loves pumpkin soup, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah, pumpkin everything. With my little helper here, Lucinda, we're going to blend up the soup. It has been 20 minutes, cooked really fast, and is soft enough to work with. So we'll zap it till it's all the lumpy things have gone and it's creamy. So we've blended it up now and it's lovely and thick. So we're going to add some coconut cream. You can add other milks or creams, real cream, whatever your flavouring you like. And we'll pour a little bit in, and you will choose depending on how runny your mixture is. Okay, so now just wait, don't go crazy with the pouring. No. Okay, so Lucinda's ready to add the coconut cream in. Okay, and then with the blender, have another go at it. All right. Alright, and that looks great.
Wow.
You can see the beautiful colour it is. I'm going to stir through some chopped up parsley.
I've grabbed it.
Right, so parsley from my garden, super easy to grow. Now when we do chop up, remember Lucinda, safety always comes first, and we chop the stalk off and mind your fingers. Right, keep your hands on top.
I'll do my best.
Okay, can I have a go now? Alright. So chop it up nice and fine. Okay, so we're ready to add that, and then now we just stir it through. Lucinda will stir. Okay, and now you can see, ooh, just a bit. That looks nice. So we'll get a soup bowl. Can Lucinda get one bowl for me? Look, a nice bowl. And yogurt. That you can add yogurt if you like. Alright, and we make our own yogurt. You'll find that on our channel. And you might like to put a blob of sour cream or yogurt in the middle. And then that adds to it as well. Like that. Pumpkin soup is easy to make, and Lucinda and the rest of the family love soup. Samuel, want to come into the picture? Look who we have here. Everybody knows Samuel. For dinner tonight, we want to have some corn. John has grown some extra sweet corn in the grow house, and it's ready to come to be eaten. It was a later crop, so we've got a few pieces here. We're going to pop it in halves to cook a little faster and fit better in the pot. Put it in the pot?
Yes.
Yeah? Samuel, want to come and pop it in the pot? Leave some for Samuel.
Corn.
So you see, you don't really need to add a lot of water. So we'll wait for it to boil, and you'll know when it's ready. It'll be a little bit more yellow. It'll change colour.